system is male genital system and female genital system. Okay. Female genital system means what are the organs of female genital system? Uterus, ovary, uterus,
Uterine horn,
then
cervix,
vagina,
vagina,
vulva. These are the organ of female reproductive system. And male reproductive system means testes,
testis,
epididymis,
factors different, seminal, vesicle,
seminal vesicle, মানে accessory organ.
accessory organs.
So কিডনি তো পারলাম না। So this is the uterus of cattle. Okay. So this is the ovary. This is the ovary. This is also the two ovary. Okay. Two ovary. Okay. Two ovary. This is ovary, and this is the after ovary. This is the fallopian tube. This is the fallopian tube. This is fallopian tube. This one is fallopian tube. And the ligament that is called mesoovarian, the part of broad ligament of uterus that hold the ovary, that is called mesoovarian. Mesoovarian ligament. This ligament, it is actually broadly because uterus is held by the peritoneum fold, that is called broad ligament of uterus, and the part of broad ligament of uterus that hold the ovary, that is called mesoovarian. And this is the horn of the uterus, and this is the body of the uterus. You have seen, you have been demonstrated this in the level 1 semester 1, but here in the comparative anatomy we will study the comparison actually. And it is the bladder, it is the urinary bladder. You know that the urinary bladder located just ventral to the vagina. Vagina নিচে কি থাকে? urinary bladder থাকে. This is the urinary bladder. হ্যাঁ না of cow, and this is the horn of the uterus, this is the body of the uterus, and then body of the after body of the uterus, then cervix, and then vagina. এটা ফরমালিন থাকার কারণে ইয়া হয়ে গেছে। This is the canal actually. এটা একটা বা কুচকে যাওয়ার কারণে ইয়া হয়ে গেছে। This is the body of the uterus, horn, body of the uterus, then cervix in the middle, and then vagina, and then vulva. So the difference between the cattle uterus of cow and uterus of mare is that the one difference is that the here the horn is coiled and gradually tapering. The horn, see the horn is coiled and gradually it become narrow, gradually become tapered. But in case of mare, the horn, it abruptly suddenly become narrow. That means it's not gradually, it's not coiled and not gradually tapered. It suddenly become narrow and form a blind end. That is the difference between the mare, uterus of mare and uterus of cow. Okay, so that means what is the difference between the uterus of cow and uterus of mare? One difference is that the horn here, you see, those who are far, you will see that the horn become coil and এটা আস্তে
gradually
আস্তে ন্যারো হয়ে আসে। কিন্তু ইন কেস অফ হর্স মেয়ারের ক্ষেত্রে
suddenly
হর্নটা এটা হঠাৎ করে এক জায়গায় ন্যারো হয়ে যাবে, চিকন হয়ে যাবে, একটা ব্লাইন্ড ইনফরমেশন করবে। এটা এর মতো আস্তে আস্তে কয়েল হয়ে ন্যারো হয়ে আস্তে আস্তে ন্যারো হবে না। এটা একটা ডিফারেন্স। And in case of bees, and you know that the structure of different organ of sheep goat is identical to the structure of cow,
Cow.
just small and big size. এটা কাউয়ের যে কোনো আমরা কিডনি কাউয়ের যে ইউটেরাস এটা যে একটা গোটের ইউটেরাস কাউয়ের ইউটেরাস প্রায় সেম একই রকম, শুধু সাইজ বড় ছোট হবে। But in case of a small animal, one is important thing is bees, the female dog. The female dog its uterus is, I think your Fatima Johara madam, the obstetrics, she has collection of uterus of dog, but maybe next class we will show you. Today I asked her, but she told that the sample is in the 10th story building. I will take this sample. We will show you the uterus of bees. The uterus of bees is its identical characteristic that it's not the like the uterus of goat or cattle, cow. Its structure is that the body is long, short, and the horn it is very long and it's diverge as a V shape. এটা বার করে দেখি, এগুলো দেখাই ছবিটা। আর নেই বল, ওইটা হ্যাঁ, এটা উঠটা ওই মাথার উঠটা ডগের হিউটেরাসের ছবি আছে দেখো তো। এই যে এটা দেখো, এটা দেখো তুমি সবাইকে বইটা ইয়ে করে দেখো, আগে এই দিক দেখো। See the body and the horn is V shaped like that. Two horns they diverge as V shape. Long cylindrical horn, little bit curved but like V shape. This is the characteristics of the uterus of bees. We will show you this practically. এদিক দেখো। We will show you this uterus of bees practically, but just theoretically that the hair, the identical characteristic of two horns, তারা এইভাবে ভি শেপের মতো চলে যাবে এবং হর্নটা
বাটিলের মতো
from beginning to the end the horn diameter is almost same. আবার দেখো, উঁচু করা হয়। See two horns, they diverge as V shape. They diverge as V shape, and from starting to the end of the horn, their diameter is almost same. তাই না, পুরো ডায়ামিটারটা সেম একই রকম। এটা হচ্ছে হর্ন, এটা হচ্ছে কি বিসের ইউট্রাস। ক্লিয়ার? And ovary, actually the ovary is round shape or oval shape, marble shape, this is the ovary, here is the ovary. And the difference of the ovary of cow and difference of the ovary of cow and its mare is, the main difference is that ovulation fossa, there is ovulation fossa in the ovary of mare, but in the ovary of cow there is no ovulation fossa. Fossa means depression. But in case of cow, আরো ইয়া দাও দেখি, আনোয়ারুল
ডিপ্রেশন
see the figure. See there, this is round shape, this is ovary of cow, but if you come to the ovary of mare, there is a depression, that is called ovulation fossa, through which ovulation take place. See two figures, just it's not accurate, but just it is the sketch to make it understandable. Okay, the two both ovary are round. In case of mare, ovary is round. In case of cow, ovary is round, oval shape. But thing is that in case of the surface of the ovary of mare, there is a depression that is called fossa, ovulation fossa, through which ovulation take place. So this is called ovulation fossa, that is present in the mare ovary. Okay, so if you are provided two ovaries, one is ovary of cow, one is ovary of mare, the how will understand this ovary of mare, one is there is ovulation. There should be in the surface there should be depression, that is called ovulation
Fossa.
fossa. But in case of cow ovary there is no ovulation.
No ovulation fossa.
Okay, this is the main difference in the ovary. But
Ovary.
there are also other differentiating points like weight, its size, its weight, but these are not identical because if we compare same age, same size cow and same size mare, then these parameter are acceptable. But if I take a big, for example, ovary of mare is bigger than ovary of cow, but this is not identical because if I take a small horse and big cow, then this point you cannot differentiate. Okay, but ovulation fossa is one of the identical point that by which we can differentiate the ovary of cow and ovary of mare.
Mare.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
this is now